So in the robotics and automation world, there are some of the challenges that we in the manufacturing domain observe. Particularly, some of them are that the end-of-arm tools need to be customized on a single system. So that's a slow and expensive process. Most of the components are made up of metal, which are bulky, and indirectly they will affect the motor costs as large and expensive motors are required. My name is Karandikar. I'm a senior applications engineer here with DesignTech Systems for the Stratasys business unit. With this component, this is an end-of-arm tool. It's made from FDM technology. FDM is in this industry because it uses variable infill density and also offers thermoplastics which can be used to replace metal. So 3D printing offers customized solutions. We can achieve different types of end-of-arm tools, and likewise it can be used to save costs and create custom tooling in a short amount of time. DesignTech is nearly a 3-decade-old company and has been constantly providing engineering services and solutions to this industry. We have been associated with Stratasys for the last 20 years, and today we are here in Mumbai at the Automation Expo to give our insights to this industry and showcase additive manufacturing solutions. So please come and visit us in hall number 3E30.